2004 Thunderbird convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. A little over 24,000 original miles in this car. Both tops, we have the hard top and then another light sand soft top that is power. We'll go up and down. Take a look at the front fascia, grille. 3.9 liter V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission that does have select shift. This vehicle will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that is included in the purchase price. Maybe extendable out to 10 years to consult with your sales associate. When you call in an email, you could call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Underside, interior, engine bay, hard top on, soft top up. Check it out each way. And we're going to put the hard top on at the end. We'll put up the soft top too, so you can take a look at that. Light sand interior, leather buckets, light sand convertible top. Exterior is considered Merlot metallic. Center console, and of course, like I said, the light sand leather bucket seats, and those are heated seats. This vehicle does come with a copy of the window sticker. I'll take a picture of that, make sure it's in with the still pictures. And also original owner's manual, as well as a car cover, a couple extra rubber floor mats. And of course, here is the hard top. And we're going to put that on at the end of the video. Before we do that, though, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. All those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. All right, let's take a look down the driver's side here. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. It's been driven some, so I'm sure there's a little touch-up here or there on it, but nothing too crazy out of the ordinary. What you'd expect with this kind of miles on it. All right, let's take a little closer look at the interior. We're going to start it up. Let's hear it run. We'll take a peek at the engine bay. All right, as you can see, power windows, power locks. This is for locking trunk release. Power mirrors. Cruise control, of course. Steering wheel controls for radio. Media, 24,821 exact miles. No warning indicators, anything like that, just a seatbelt light since I don't have that on. Tack is working. Top of the dash looks good. We do have the 6 CD changer. The radio is working also. Climate control here. So put that on auto. So of course, power steering, power brakes, and AC. AC does blow cold. Take a little closer look at the driver's seat. Nothing really out of the ordinary there either. Just your normal natural wear in the leather hide. Slip around to the back. Nothing crazy over the top as far as the exhaust goes. Sounds pretty stock. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Let me quick get this hood pop. We'll check that out, and then we'll move on to the convertible tops. There, we got the hood open. Take a look at the underside of the hood. Hood liner nice and clean. And engine bay appears as you would expect also with low mile car. In 3.9 liter dual overhead cam V8. Runs nice and smooth, sounds good, looks good underneath the hood. And power steering, power brakes, AC. And that automatic transmission with select shift paired up with that V8 engine. All right, I'm going to go ahead and close that hood. We'll get the soft top up, check that out. We'll finish up with a hardtop. And here's the soft top up. So tan fabric, nice fit above the windshield. Rolled the side glass up so you can see that too. Nice fit with the side glass. Looks like tinted rear glass slightly, rear defogger. Now when we get, you're going to see there is a little bit of staining on the lower portion. We get it around to the passenger side. We do have a little bit of staining over here, but if you need it to keep it dry or out of the sun, it's going to be just fine. And how often are you going to have that top up? Probably not real often, or maybe the hard top on. And speaking of hard top, we're going to lower this cloth top and check out the hard top. So soft top, a little bit of staining, free of rips, tears, or holes. And let's get that hard top on, check that one out. And last but not least, the hard top. So body color to match, of course, the porthole. Rear glass window, rear defogger. I guess what you'd expect with a car with this kind of miles on it. All right. 2004 Ford Thunderbird. Low miles. And remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. Included in the purchase price, may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2004 Ford Thunderbird in a burgundy color with black and cream colored interior, or black and tan. This is, of course, a convertible. We do have the hardtop on right now. This is an automatic on the center console. Good acceleration in this car. We're showing 24,843 miles on the odometer currently. Factory radio working well. Air conditioning blowing cold. This car stays nice and straight if I let go of the wheel. Nice quiet ride. Not much for wind noise. No jiggles or shakes. Brakes are working well. Corners well, does not lean very much. Very comfortable cruiser. Definitely want to take a look at this Thunderbird at UniqueClassicCars.com.